Hello everyone, welcome to pediatric video series by Dr. Anand. So today we are in Delhi class. So we have important questions we're gonna discuss, important rapid fire, one-liners, whatever possible to help every one student, international and nationally, to clear the exams. So let's just start the important one-liners with our colleague. So hello ma'am, let's start the important questions. Ma'am, if I talk about typhoid fever, enteric fever, what are the 3 or 4 important points which I should remember regarding enteric fever? Can you help me?
Fever pattern, step ladder
Pattern of fever, okay.
Relative bradycardia patient with fever.
Very good.
Clotted tongue
Yes.
and rose-like spot seen on day 7 of rash.
Very good, perfect. So I'll repeat again. Rose-like spots on 7th day of fever, relative bradycardia, step ladder pattern of fever and coated tongue. Very well said, very good. Ma'am, fever with rash from day 1 to day 7. Could you tell me one differential diagnosis?
Day 1 fever with rash, there is a varicella. Day 2 scarlet fever. Day 3 smallpox. Day 4 measles. Day 5 scrub typhus. Day 6 dengue. Day 7 enteric fever typhoid.
Yeah, enteric fever or typhoid fever. I think that's very well said, so I don't have to repeat it. Very nicely you have told. Okay, ma'am, which is the most common complication of chickenpox? Any idea?
Secondary bacterial infection.
Perfect answer. Secondary bacterial infections. Very good. Ma'am, which is the late complication of measles? Late complications.
Subacute sclerosic panencephalitis.
Very good. SSP is the late complication of measles. Very important aims as well as a PGI question. Ma'am, what are the drugs given intratracheal? Could you tell me? Intratracheal.
Naloxone, adrenaline, surfactant, atropine, lignocaine.
Perfect answer, no doubt about it. I will not repeat again. Ma'am, what is the dose of adrenaline in neonatal resuscitation? Any idea?
0.1 to 0.3 ml per kg in 1 gem 10,000 dilution.
Perfect, very right. So I'll repeat again. Adrenaline comes in 1:1000 dilution, but we give 1:10,000 dilution, and that one we give 0.1 ml per kg. 0.1 or 0.1 to 0.3 ml per kg, you can say. Ma'am, what is the normal height of a 4-year-old?
100 centimeter.
100 centimeter. What is the normal height of a 12-year-old?
150 centimeter.
150 centimeter. What is the normal length of a newborn?
48 to 50 centimeter.
48 to 50 centimeter. Very good. What is the normal height of a 1-year-old?
75 centimeter.
Yeah. So all the viewers, you should be knowing the normal length of a baby is 48 to 50 centimeter. Height doubles by 4 years, that is 100 centimeter, and triples by 12 years, that is 150 centimeter. Okay, ma'am. This word Doctor's Day, ma'am, कब आता है? Any idea?
1st July.
1st July. Word Environment Day?
5th June.
5th June, right? Word Rabies Day?
28 September.
28 September, yes. Word Autism Day?
2nd April.
2nd April. Very good, very right. Nicely you have read, ma'am. What is the dose of vitamin K in a newborn?
In a newborn term baby, 1 kg, 1 mg,
Yes.
and less than 1 kg baby, we have give 0.5 mg.
Perfect answer. Term baby is 1 mg. Less than 1 kg, we give 0.5 mg of vitamin K. Ma'am, vitamin D, any idea? Vitamin D, how much do you give, ma'am?
In term baby, we give 400 international unit, and in preterm baby, we give 800 to 1000 international unit.
Yeah, perfect answer, no doubt about it. Okay, and ma'am, this newborn baby having brown fat, what is the importance of brown fat in newborn baby? Is it important?
Yes, it is important for thermogenesis.
For thermogenesis, very well. Ma'am, where all brown fat is present, could you tell me that?
Nape of neck, subcutaneous tissue, axilla, renal, suprarenal gland.
And between the scapulas.
Between the scapula.
Very good, perfect answer. Brown fat is important because newborn have non-shivering thermogenesis. So by the breakdown of brown fat, newborn are able to produce the heat. Very well said. Ma'am, maternal mortality rate, latest, what is, how much it is, any idea?
130 per 1 lakh live birth.
Very good, very good. All the mortality rates are per 1000, but MMR, maternal mortality rate is per 1 lakh live, and that is 130. Ma'am, what is Lanugo? Lanugo, Lanugo?
It is an abundant hair present in a baby over back and
shoulder.
Shoulder region.
Very good. So abundant hair at the shoulder and the back, that is known as Lanugo. Ma'am, Lanugo, it is seen in terms or preterms?
seen in preterm.
Very good. Remember, term babies do not have hairs at the shoulder and the back. Preterm baby have abundant lanico. Now, image-based question. So, we'll show you one image. So, ma'am, this image, the question is identify the syndrome. This is the picture, and the options are Down syndrome, Patau syndrome, Edwards syndrome, and Turner syndrome. So, ma'am, what do you think? What is the syndrome it is?
It is a syndrome of Edwards syndrome. It is a syndrome, Edwards syndrome, trisomy 18.
Okay, trisomy 18 Edwards syndrome. Ma'am, Edwards syndrome, how should I remember it? Any idea? What are the highlighters I can see in Edward?
In this picture, we can see rocker bottom feet,
Very good.
microcephaly,
Yes. Overlapping digits.
overlapping digits,
And-
congenital heart disease,
Yes.
kidney disease,
Yes.
microcephaly,
Yes.
and mental retardation, which now known as the intellectual disability.
Yeah, very good. These are the important points of Edwards syndrome. Ma'am, Edwards syndrome, it is trisomy 21, 13, 18. Any idea?
Sir, I already tell it is a trisomy 18.
18. Ma'am, trisomy 13 is what?
Trisomy 13 is Patau syndrome,
21?
Down syndrome.
Down syndrome. Ma'am, what is conduction? What do you mean by conduction?
Conduction is a
Yeah.
heat loss from baby from
Yeah.
cold surface.
Yeah, so it is one of the process of heat loss in a baby. So through conduction, the baby is able to lose the heat from a cold surface. Ma'am, from convection, the heat loss is happening through how?
Heat losses happen from the fan or open window.
That is known as convection. Ma'am, in evaporation, from where the heat loss is happening, ma'am?
From skin.
From the skin. Very good.
It is an inevitable cause.
Yeah, it is an inevitable process which has to happen naturally. It will happen. Ma'am, what is radiation? Any idea?
Radiation, it is a heat loss from cold wall
Near
of
a
the
nursery.
nearest cold wall of nursery.
Very good. So in radiation, there is a heat loss from near a cold. If you keep a baby near a cold wall of nursery, that process of way of losing heat, that is known as radiation. Perfect answer. Last two questions, ma'am. What is the name of the scoring system to know the gestational age of a baby?
Expanded new Ballard score.
Yeah, very good. Expanded new Ballard score. Very right. Ma'am, expanded new Ballard score, from which period of gestation babies, like till what to what age we can assess the scoring, ma'am? Any idea?
Scoring can assess between 20 weeks to 44 weeks.
Yeah, 20 to 44. You're very good. So 20 weeks to 44 weeks, till this duration you can assess the gestation age. Ma'am, what is scarf sign and why do you do it?
Scarf sign to
SCARF, scarf sign. Yes.
Scarf sign to differentiate between preterm and term. If there is an angle between hand and
So elbow crosses the midline. So when the elbow is crossing the midline, that is scarf sign, ma'am. So elbow crossing the midline, it is term or preterm, ma'am? If it is crosses the midline.
it is a preterm.
Very good. So in scarf sign, elbow crosses the midline is a preterm. Elbow does not cross the midline, that is a term baby. And why I am doing it, ma'am? It assess the what? It assess the tone of the baby. That's a very important news PG question. It assess the tone of the baby. Last question, ma'am. What is cold stress?
Cold stress when baby temperature 36 to 36.5.
Perfect answer. 36 to 36.5 degrees Celsius is known as cold stress, also known as mild hypothermia. That's it. Thank you so much. So these were the important questions, important one-liners, rapid fire for everyone around the globe watching us. And thank you so much for supporting Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. Any topic you feel should be discussed, please let me know. In the last video, students were telling they want a video on pediatric drug dosage. One student was telling she is in first year MD pediatrics. She doesn't know how to study the first year MD, what all she should cover and how she should start. So we are making a video on that very soon. So any video, any comments, please let us know. And coronavirus is increasing rapidly. So you be very careful, have social distancing, wear mask and be careful. Thank you.